Unlike anything else that's available in the market today, Merlin Power's OneBox combines traditional split charging with an onboard DC-DC charger, meaning it can deliver the maximum possible charge output without compromising the vehicle or the unit's reliability. Want to know how? Keep watching. Hi, I'm Lee Harris, Sales Manager at Merlin Power. Products like the OneBox don't half make my life easier, and they can yours too, by ensuring you're getting the maximum efficiency out of your onboard charging systems. We're all well aware of the charging challenges that Euro 6 vehicles bring. With a variable alternator output, we're never really sure what our batteries are getting. Thankfully, OneBox can overcome this uncertainty. How? Well, when the alternator is at maximum, the OneBox is a conventional split charging device. This is ensuring your batteries are getting all the power that the alternator can generate. When that drops off, this becomes a DC-DC charger, but still ensuring you're getting maximum charge output. There really isn't any other product on the market today that can do that. To give you a visual representation of the benefits of OneBox, we have generated the following graphs. Here you can see the charge output of a Euro 6 vehicle. With conventional split charging, the variable output means your battery is only getting a variable charge. This is great when it's at the maximum end of the scale, but there'll be periods of time when the battery only gets a fraction of this. Comparatively, with the OneBox installed, it overcomes the periods when maximum charge is not generated by automatically triggering the DC-DC charger, thus ensuring a stabilised output at the optimised charging profile, whatever your battery type, be it AGM, lithium, flooded or gel. So when a customer came to me and explained that due to modern legislation they could no longer fit diesel generators on vehicles, they had to come up with a pure electric solution. This meant fitting really quite large battery banks, but it gave them a massive problem. They couldn't keep them charged. They gave me the challenge of finding a solution. OneBox was the solution. With onboard power demands increasing, battery banks are getting larger, and the challenge of keeping them charged is very much real. OneBox is the first and only product on the market today that overcomes that challenge. So what's in the box? Well, as the name would suggest, not a lot, and it really is testament to how easy it is to install. We've got the user and installation manual as always. We do provide some cable covers for safety, and the unit itself, and that's it. When it comes to installing the OneBox, it couldn't be easier. The unit can be mounted in any orientation, and there's ample fixing points down both sides. For the battery connections, we've got our negative and our positive to our engine battery, we've got our positive to our auxiliary bank, non-isolated loads if you're always on or critical equipment, and your isolated loads. Built-in flat battery protection and battery isolation for the auxiliary bank, and with an optional contactor we can offer flat battery protection and isolation for the engine bank. All the inputs and outputs and the interfacing is done from these connections at the top. It really couldn't be simpler. If you'd like any more information on the OneBox or any of our products, please visit the website. Thanks for watching.